Students, you must know about the graphs of linear, quadratic, cubic and reciprocal functions. See the linear function, a function f from R to R. R is a real number to real number defined by, always the linear function is denoted by f of x is equal to mx plus c. The power of x is 1, that is linear function. F of x is equal to mx plus c, always m not equal to 0. The power of x is 1. Then this is a linear function. See the graph. You have two functions. One is identity function, another one is additive inverse function. What is the meaning for identity function? If the value of f of x is equal to x. If you take 1, the value is 1. If you take 2, the value is 2. See the graph. See, this is the graph. If you take the value of f of x is 1, the value of x is also 1. F of x is equal to 2, the value is also 2. F of minus 1, the value is minus 1. That is the meaning. See the graph and see the point. What is the meaning for additive inverse function? Just reverse. The sign is opposite to the given number. If you take 1, the answer is minus 1. See here, 1 means, see the graph, the value is minus 1. 2 means, see the value, minus 2. Next one, modulus or absolute valued function. What is the meaning for modulus? For positive also positive, for the negative also positive. If you take 1 for f of x, you will get 1. If you take minus 1 also, you will get 1. For positive and negative number, the answer is always in positive. 1 means 1, minus 1 means 1, 2 means 2, minus 2 is also 2, 3 means 3, minus 3 also 3. See the quadratic function. Quadratic function means the power of x is 2. The power of x is 2. Don't forget that. For linear, the power of x is 1. For quadratic equation or quadratic function, the power is 2. A function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Always a not equal to 0. Then only the power of x is always 2. Is called a quadratic function. See here, you have two functions. Function, domain, range and definitions is given here. See the graph. The graph starts from f of x is equal to x square means the graph is above the x-axis. F of x is equal to minus x square means the graph is below the x-axis. F of x is equal to x square, positive, above the x-axis. Minus x square, negative, below the. Now see the cubic function. Cubic means the power of x must be 3. A function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. A is not equal to 0 is called a cubic function. The graph is like this. F of x is equal to x cube. For x cube, for cubic function, your graph is like this. For quadratic equation, you have a graph like this. Okay. For linear, you just have a straight line. Now see the function reciprocal. A function f from real function, that is real minus 0, except 0. From R to R, first for the domain, you didn't have the 0. Real function to real function, and the domain la 0 kadaya. Okay, 0 thavara ulla real numbers. Appa function R minus 0 to R is defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x is called a reciprocal function. Your graph is like this. Always For the reciprocal function, your graph is above the xy axis, otherwise below the xy axis like a curve. One more function, that is constant function. A function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to c for all x belongs to R is called a constant function. What is the meaning for constant? For all the values, the range is same. For 1, you have the value, if the c is 5, for 1 also 5, 2 also 5, 3 also 5, 4 also 5. That is the meaning for constant function. For all the values of y, you have the constant function. Same value in the range. Range la ஒரே value எல்லா டொமைனுக்கும் டொமைனில் எத்தனை நம்பர்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் அந்த டொமைனில் இருக்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரேஞ்ச் வந்து ஒரே வேல்யூவாக இருந்தால் தட் இஸ் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்.